Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Share Alive. My name is Eva. If you're new to my channel, I'm based in Sydney, Australia. And today's I have a unboxing with you, and also comparison between two handbags. So first of all, I would like to show you the beautiful 20K Coco handle in beige color. And this beautiful beige color is really nice. And I want to show you guys all the details as usual. And in this video, I'll be comparing the Coco handle beige color with the classic Claire beige color together. And first of all, I can't wait to show you guys this beauty. This is the 20K season Coco handle in beige color. It's with the champagne gold hardware and quilt design, quilt pattern. And I received some message about this Coco handle regarding the color tone. So some people saw the picture sending from SA or other source or IG. They said this bag is look more yellowish tone, but to me, I want to show you guys the true color. In front of me is more in true beige color. And if you're not sure about what kind of beige, that's why I want to do a comparison video with this beautiful classic medium large caviar leather beige clear color together with this beautiful Coco handle. And let me zoom in. You can tell the tone is quite similar. The color tone is basically to me is quite the same. Only different is the Chanel classic flap. This one is in smooth caviar, and the Coco handle 20K season is in kind of matte finish caviar. So that's why the texture is slightly different, but the color tone is basically to me is the same. And let me just show you every side so that you can compare them. And it's really stunning to me. I took it out and then I found, wow, this beige is very natural beige, and it's like those natural color that people highly sought after, like Hermes handbag. And most of the time beige color is the easy matching color, which is the beige, gold, black, you know, those classic basic color, natural color. And this is in the size of small, but I always said it's mini size because before Chanel launched the new Coco handle, the smaller size, which is I call extra mini. This is the smaller size in their Coco handle range. So that's why I call it mini, which is the smallest, because they have so many sizes. They have 4 sizes, so sometimes it's very hard to describe the right size to the SA. Sometimes they tell you small, sometimes they tell you mini, but I would like to give you measurement here. It's in 24 cm roughly. So I call this mini, but in the website, official website is saying this is small size. And Coco handle is getting quite popular in this season, and this is from 20K season. And for the handle, it has embossed lizard on the handle here. I want to show you guys the detailed close look. If you're thinking to get this beige color, it's still in this season, so you may able to get it still after watching my video. And let me just show you guys inside. Yeah, it has 2 compartments, and I already tried to put a mini O case inside to see whether it fit. It definitely can fit. And as well as my new iPhone 12 Pro is in 15 cm long, and it can easily go in. Yeah. so it's still got lots of space. And for this size of Coco handle, you cannot crossbody because the strap length is pretty much just for the side wearing. I can still crossbody it, but the thing is the handle is sitting right up on my chest level, so when you open the bag it's a little bit hard, it's like bending. Yeah, so I don't recommend wear it crossbody, but if you have any idea of extending the chain strap, yep, it's more than welcome to do it. But for me, I just like the design of itself. So let me show you guys one more time of the classic beige clear and the 20K beige color. Which one you like more? Which color you like more? I find that the matte beige, the matte caviar beige color is more suitable on the Coco handle, but when you wear the classic flap, I think smooth caviar is much more suitable. And as you know, this natural color is in light color, so you may get scarf at the side, at the corner, and the most easy to get scarf area would be the four corners here. And I think just enjoy the bag, and then you can send it to bag spa or do any repair in the future. So if you enjoy this color, just get this color, and don't hesitate of thinking, oh, get color transfer, or you may think it's not gonna last long. But I think the most thing is, you know your style, you think what color is matching your style most, then you go for the color that you like. If you're wearing black most of the time, I think beige color is one of the best color to compare, like contrast better with your outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave me comments if you like the content that I present. I like luxury items, I like to do unboxing and give you guys some details about handbags that I like. And thank you very much. I hope you guys